Angel Medina here. Thank you for watching this short video. On today's video, I'm going to go over something really important. A lot of people have been telling me that they want to do something as far as buying a home or refinancing. And a lot of concerns they have, I understand how they feel. Because really it comes down to, if you don't know, you're just going to assume. And if you don't ask a professional, you really won't have any idea what your options are. So in today's video, I want to go over credit. A lot of times, which I understand, people think, well, I can't do anything right now because I have some old collection accounts. My credit's not so great. So you're just sitting there waiting for the future, so maybe you can pay them off. But what you don't know could really hurt you, which is if you pay those collection accounts off right away, sometimes they actually could hurt your credit. That's why it's really important. I'm not saying not to pay them off. What I'm saying is, first, have a professional. I look at credit reports every day. I've been doing it for a long time. Let me take a look at the credit if you need my help. Or, have someone look at it and decide, what you want to do once you get advice on exactly how to go about that. Now, once you do take a look at the credit and you do review the information you have on there, there are two factors you want to consider. If there's recent accounts within the last 2 years, then more than likely you're going to have to either do one or two things. You're going to have to wait until they're at least 2 years old, or you do have another alternative route. Now, the alternative route is where you can actually, if you have someone that you're close to, like a family member or a good friend, someone that you know that has a card that they've had for a long time, like let's say like 3 years or more, or even 2 years, the more they've had it, the longer they've had it, even better, then you want to ask them if you could be what's called an authorized user on their credit card. So what that's going to do, though, is once you become an authorized user, it has to be on a revolving credit card. It has to be on a credit card such as like a Bank of America, Capital One, a Chase credit card, an Amex card. But you have to make sure that when they call to ask if they can add you as an authorized user, that they do take your Social Security number. It doesn't mean they're going to pull your credit, but by them taking your Social Security number, it will then allow them to report it to the 3 major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. So that is really important, because if you just call and your friend says, okay, I'll add you on, and they add you on there, you could be going by 1-2 months and realize nothing has changed with your credit. That's because they're not reporting it. So a lot of times when I tell someone to do that, I really emphasize that they have to make sure that they tell them, hey, I want you to report this on the credit bureau, because at that point, if they don't report it on the credit bureau with that credit card, which can happen, then you want to know. You want to maybe ask somebody else, or you want to ask them if they have another credit card. Now, the other factors about the credit card, they have to be, no lates on the credit card. And you don't want to put yourself on a credit card that is, let's say that they have $2,000 available and that person has used $2,000 of it. You want to put yourself on a credit card where they have $2,000 available, and let's say they only owe about $300 on that credit card, just for an example, or $500. But you don't want to be onto a credit card that is actually going to be maxed out, or it's going to have any 30-day late. So it's really simple. If you want to raise your score, what that's going to ultimately do is, once you do that, you want to wait at least, I would say 30 days. It may be sooner, but wait at least 30 days. Maybe go to one of those websites that give you a free copy of the credit report, and you'll see that now that history that your friend or your family member had is now going on your credit report. So what that ultimately does is it will more than likely raise your score up dramatically. So a lot of people don't know that. I mean, you want to take it step by step, though. This sounds like a lot. It really is very simple. But you do, if you're in California and you're looking to either buy or refinance, I would say don't wing it. Don't try to do everything on your own. A lot of times you're trying to do things on your own and you really mean well, but again, some of the things that we decide to do, they don't make sense with the credit bureaus, meaning if you pay them all off, all your bills, you think, well, my credit score should go up right away. That's not always necessarily the case. So again, speak to a professional. If you need my help, feel free to give me a call anytime. Again, this is Angel Medina. I just want to make this really quick video for anyone out there who is maybe wanting to buy a house or wanting to refinance, but they don't feel they qualify. So many people I've spoken to throughout the years, they thought they wouldn't qualify, and I was able to help them. If not then in the future. So what I do is I find out what your situation is now. If I can't help you, I'm going to give you the directions on what you need to do so you can ultimately accomplish your goal, which is either buying a home or refinancing, whether it's 2-3 months or a year. But you always want to make those necessary steps in order to accomplish your goals. That's where a coach or a professional or somebody who has seen that situation multiple times, they're not going to have you reinvent the wheel. They're really just going to tell you what is the quickest, easiest, and best step to get to where you want to be the quickest, so that way you can accomplish your goal and get it done. So especially in this situation, you definitely don't want to wing it. So I hope that helps. If this is the first time you're watching me on a video, I would ask, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Again, Angel Medina, and I hope you have a great day.
Wow, 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 wow.